My name is Michael Vandenbos. I've been a character designer and concept artist for over 25 years now. As a freelance artist, I've been working on all kinds of creative projects, such as commercials, working on character design for 3D studios, illustrating children's books, and working freelance as a character animator. Over the years I've been drawing all kinds of freaks and critters in my spare time. The pile of work I have now is really building up, and I think it's time to share these characters with the world. FREAKBOOK is my first art book, yeah. It's a collection of my original artwork, and in this art book I've compiled a mixture of character design, concept art, and I've included some tutorials. I truly love the fact that I start my workday with a blank piece of paper. I just draw. I really don't think that much and let the ink do its work. I hope my work inspires other artists, yeah. Maybe gets starting artists over the edge, taking their next step into their art career. Thank you so much. I hope you support FREAKBOOK.